fired an AR before? Okay. Here's for your safety, semi. Once we get that, your charging handle. Pull that, wrap it around. It's just like a bolt. Tamming it over, you just pull that back. I only have a 4x scope on there, so stuff isn't going to zoom way in. Where you want to aim it, 0 to 50, you'll be a little low. So forth. If you want to hit the gong and hold one reticle high on it.
Hey Brian, our left target didn't have any shots on it if you want to shoot at that, the 6 ball.
Got to be pretty close up tight to it to get the eye relief. Should be almost there. Ready to shoot? We got to charge it. There you go. Hang on, it's not. Why don't you grab the forward charging handle, pull this out. Pull it out. Pull it back fast. Let it go.
This way is there.
Mm-hmm. The whole trip up here.
Huh?
The whole trip up here.
Well, yeah.
Can't see the muzzle flash.
Oh, I know.
That thing throws about a 3-foot muzzle flash out the front of the thing.
What is it?
Comes with a oh, that's a muzzle. Mosin the gaunt. Yeah.
Boys in the gun. Okay.
It has the bayonet on it. Wow. When it has the bayonet on, we always joke you can slide a hot dog down it, fire rounds, turn it, a couple more, and she's ready to go. Tastes a little funny, but
This is what it looked like before the stock and everything.
that one doesn't have the bayonet on it, though.
No, it had, I have it in the safe. I took it off.
Just in
I
case.
That's why I go camping
Yeah,
out.
somebody charges you, you know.
Tell about the first time you shot it.
Could you imagine, you know, having to pack that thing around?
Yeah, freehand it. Stand
Oh
up.
yeah, when you're breathing heavy. He's shooting the 5.56 round too, not the 2.23, so it's got a little more kick to it, right? This is the military. I think so too. My daughter, she shoots a 22. She's 11.
Yeah.
When she finally decided she turned around with the biggest smile on her face. Just because it does have a little more authority to it, certainly than a 22, but it's not.
He's got the same thing in airsoft, but
Yeah.
it's not quite.
Yeah, not the same.
He's
yeah.
always wanted to, but Grandpa's only got antique stuff or older stuff, you
This is
know.
old stuff.
Yeah. Yeah, I really like that rifle. It's a lot of fun. reminds me of what I carried in the service and stuff, so that's why I
think
got it.
That's, you know, that's the way all the younger generation is these days.
The black gun, yeah, and everybody hates it. You know, like I'm a killer because I have a.
Yeah, well, that's
those.
what they say. Yeah, that's what
And
they're thinking.
I don't buy into any of
Right.
that. You know,
No.
I just don't like the stereotyping that goes on.
they-
That, that just because you have one, you're the same as one of these nut jobs.
I mean,
Yeah.
Takes a while.
Yeah, you actually hear
it's
that
like
one.
going from
Here they are,
a
really.
flintlock, then they came out with a cap lock. Well, that was, you know, what the hell is that?
It's not fair. It's not a fair
And then-
fight anymore. Yeah.
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 Then they came out with a cartridge. Well, that's just never gonna work.
And then
No, no.
it wasn't any good till when the Indians got the lever guns.
Yeah, no kidding.
That changed the fight.
No, times change. That's all there is to it.
Yep.
Standing up, what do you think?
Boy, he's gonna drain your magazine, isn't he?
What's that?
Say he's gonna drain your magazine.
That's okay. I put 20 in there for him, I think, or 10. I don't know.
Hey, must be empty. I think he drained it.
Anthony, I'm gonna go for that gong standing
All right,
up, dude.
do it.
I don't want to hit it.
Yeah, it'll lock the bolt back. When it's done. You like that?
Pretty cool.